Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ayub and right now I'm gonna teach you three functions of AutoCAD. Right now I'm using OBS software to record this video. Okay, let's move on. AutoCAD. So our objective is donut, line type and polar array. So a donut is basically a circle with inner circle void in it, thus making the shape donut. So the void spacing, the outer spacing. So how do you draw one? So you draw one by typing donut, then you press enter. It will ask you for the starting point of the location of the donut void. Yeah, so then you click on the second point, then they will ask you the outer circle specific point. So first point and then second point. Okay. A tip is there's a format tip is where you want to fill an angle, you click on the trim function. Then either you pick up or down, then you will trim. And there's a red dot, then you drag it to your desired angle. So then you can get a few, or you can just type the angle you want. So right now we are doing line types. So what are line types? Line types are different type of line basically. So if you want to pick a line type or insert a line type, you can click on the line type and then you click load. And you open the default file of AutoCAD which containing different type of line type. You can create your own line type, but we are not doing it today. So let's continue. So this is the different type of line. So let's say I want to pick this. Or yeah, you can change the global scale if you like, current scale. So this is the spacing for your line types. So example is, or you can have another way of changing the line types. You right click, you go properties, and then you click on the line types. So you can have this dash and then this dash. Then you can change the scale by let's say 15. Then it will increase or decrease the spacing. Okay, you can do this with shapes also. Let's draw donut right now. So say go type donut, click on a specific first point, then second point, first point, and then second point. Then you have your donut. Alright, so you right create, then you go line types. You can change the design of the donut. Okay, change the scaling to increase the spacing size. Right. Okay, so next up we are going to do polar array. So polar array, I have prepared a shape which is a triangle and a guided circle for a better understanding. So you type polar, you type array, enter, click on the objective. Right now is the triangle, enter, then you click on your polar. Or yeah, then you click on the specific middle point of the like radius you want. Yeah, or circle. We have a circle. Right. Then you will create a shape around it. So you can either add more shape by going clicking the fill and insert what shape you want, or you want the shape to fill a certain angle, which is under fill angle. So you can type 270 and you will make the spacing, but you will keep your item objective. Alright, so we're gonna fill this back. Then we go and color it, clicking hatch, we put yellow color around it. Alright, so we make a sun. So story time. Story time. Alright, so it is our sun right here. Move it. draw the front. Yeah. Hmm. Seems that. Alright. Don't bother about the sun. So this is Block having fun, and he wanted to chase a butterfly. So he crossed the road. Block tried to chase the butterfly, crossed the road. So now he realized that he is on the road. Then suddenly a car came and knocked down Bob. Bob died. The end.